Malo soifua. Here's a phrase that you'll be saying every day of your Samoan speaking life. Olea lao mea o fai. What your thing doing, or what are you doing? Now, there are a few different ways to structure this phrase, but we'll keep it within our sentence structure guidelines. This olea, that's not the tense marker olea, that's a way of saying what. And then remember our noun phrases and then the limiter before the noun phrase. Mea, that means thing. And our limiter is lao, or your. Then our verb phrase is do, or fai. Remember, a verb phrase, that's an action word and a tense marker. And then this o is actually a shortened form of the currently happening tense marker olo'o. And fai, that means do. So olo'o fai is doing. Olea lao mea olo'o, or o fai. The bones of the phrase is what, thing, and do. So you can change the question by changing the limiter and the tense marker. Olea au mea o fai. Right here we changed our noun phrase from singular to plural by changing the limiter. So lao mea, or your thing, to au mea, or your things. Or to ask, what did you do, which is past tense, you can change the tense marker from olo'o o to the past tense marker sa. Olea lao mea sa fai. What did you do? So practice changing up your limiters and your tense markers, and then make your own questions. Again, there are other constructions to this phrase, but they're all pretty similar to this. Marco.